So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to be teaching you a huge amount here. What I want to do is I want to give you an idea about the kind of resources that we have available for you here. Just going to do a little timer for myself so I don't go off on a tangent too much. So we offer support in lots of ways for your research skills. A lot of times people have a little bit of aren't quite sure how to interpret their assignment. We look at referencing, avoiding plagiarism, and more for that. But before I go on, I just want to show you some of the results that we got back at the comments that we got back from the survey that we had put at the top of the class today, or the Zoom today. That survey is really helpful to us. It gives us lots of information about the kind of struggles people are having. And I just thought it might be useful to put here some of the comments because you probably recognize some of the issues there yourself, you know. Um, we're so used to people saying, it's just me, I don't know, everyone else understands. And that just is not the case, okay? So it was really helpful to us, the survey, the last time. We identified areas that we needed to offer more support in or get the message out more so even that we do it. People have a lot of difficulty in their academic writing. That's a worry for a lot of people. Confused about the databases that we subscribe to, where to find peer-reviewed journals. Um, Not knowing that if you run into a paywall or you're not sure how to find something that you can come to us. That's really, really important information for you to take away from today. So no Googling, please. Well, sorry, obviously we all use Google or whatever to get our bearings, but we want you to be making good use of your time. So two people can be doing the same study, same amount of hours. One person's getting better marks than the other. And going, I don't understand why. A lot of the reasons is you're looking in the wrong places. You're not looking at quality sources. You're here to learn. You want to look at the meaty stuff. You want to look at the stuff that's going to bring you on. We'll help you with that. We'll put you in the right direction if you're not sure. So, for example, Kelly talking about the academic databases, hugely important. You can get access to things straight away. But we will get you something if you can't find it immediately. Um, so yeah, so that's kind of it. The misunderstanding of the level of online supports that we have as well. Okay, so you can reach out to us all the time. Big thing was a part-time and distance learners were saying, well, the library's not for us, we're not in there. Physical spaces are important for you here, and it's great for those of you who can use the spaces, use this as your office, and then you get access to us every day. But absolutely, our distance learner, online learners, people part-time, juggling hours, don't have time to be coming in. Lots of things are offered and support for you. So please, that's a takeaway. I'd love you to take today. So the kind of supports that we can help you here just on the screen is to have various posters up of the kind of things that we do, okay? But this is not everything that we do. These are what we advertise, but we will respond to any issues that you have. So assignment briefs, I don't know how to interpret my assignment brief, will help you with that. Academic writing, then that's a big one. So let's say you come to us, we help you with your research skills and you're looking at the online databases, you're doing all the right things, you've got a really good understanding of your topic and how to answer your assignment. Very often people fall a little bit flat in their academic writing. It's a skill that you're going to pick up over time. So I really would urge you just to maybe check with us. Maybe when you get feedback from the first assignment and you don't quite understand what the feedback means, we can usually kind of give you an idea what that is. And with small changes to where you're looking or your approaches to your writing can really make a huge difference to getting across your understanding of things and also increasing your marks, essentially. Okay. So that's a big thing for people to take away. Dissertation students, and you guys come to us sooner rather than later, I would say. So we have, well, this is true for everybody after your first assignment or around your first assignment, come to us. Dissertation students, when you are uh, starting off in your research topic, come to us. We can help you work out how you might consider approaching finding a topic, things like that. Then we help you with finding the good sources that you need. We will often get books in for you in our interlibrary loan through Trinity College, say college, for example. We often buy things in on foot of what our students are looking for as well. And then when it comes time to writing and organizing things, we can help you with that. And I just want to make a point here about the learning support. So if you're registered with learning support, you'll likely be sent our direction if you wish to, but you don't need to be registered with learning support if you've got a challenge, be it neurodiversity, it could be sight, it could be access, whatever it is, you let us know what the challenge you have, and we can give you a hand on that one. So just to make the point here also, all of these can be made bespoke for you. So if you want to book in for a group class, you can do it on Zoom, face to face. I have a lab here in Dublin. You can come into me, whatever way you approach it, but I can do it online. Often it's good if you do it with a few of you. I'd kind of encourage you to come in for little classes. This is our assignment. Give us a hand here, okay? And I'll point you, or we'll point you in the right direction of what you need. So Anna, this would probably be good for you with the question that you asked there earlier. I just want to talk a little bit here about academic integrity and avoiding plagiarism. This will be said to you about your academic integrity. Look, everything we do in the library feeds into you developing that, okay? It's about having recognition of the fact that you're building on other people's works, giving due recognition for that, which is in turn good for you. It's the integrity of your own work. Because when you leave, this is a skill that you're going to have. Your research skills and your writing skills are a skill you take with you beyond. So, academic integrity and avoiding plagiarism. The way we look at that in the library is we help you approach things in an academic way, developing your skills, understanding sources, how to articulate your research, all of those things, okay, are going to help you with that. So I find plagiarism is a scary word. You're not going to get worried about plagiarism if you follow these kind of steps, okay? So if you know how to locate good academic sources, to recognize good quality resources, that's your first step. Your next step is how to articulate that, how to be able to understand what's your own words, what's somebody else's words. And that's kind of uncomfortable for everybody. That's a bit of a learning curve. Big time we can give you a hand with that and show you some resources there. I forgot to mention that we've got online tutorials on Moodle as well. So if you like doing something one-to-one, self-directed learning, we can direct you to quite a few things there as well. So everybody learns things differently. Everyone's an individual. We have different ways of helping you learn these skills. I just would love to get that across to you. And then the other thing is referencing, right? I'm going to show you something about referencing now, a great tool. You have to do referencing. You just got to do it, okay? You're asked to do it, therefore you're going to do it. You can't just say, I'll learn to do it in my next assignment. You'll end up potentially failing your first assignment. Doesn't matter if you're not good at it. Doesn't matter if you're not sure how to do it. It's okay. We will get you there. All right. Just say that you're going to have to learn it step by step, one thing at a time. Now, I'm nearly finished, right? But what I really would like to do is I'd like to show you a little 1-minute demo on Zotero. We support this tool. It's like a bookmarking tool, making use of your time, keeping a track of things. There's lots of different ways you can keep track of your research. This is just one of them. I use it because I'm quite all over the place. So I find Zotero very good. I save things as I go, and if it's interesting, I don't spend 3 days trying to find it later. So I'll show you this, just 1 minute long, but it's showing you an older version of it, but it's just, I think the person demonstrates it quite well, okay? If you use it for keeping track of your research, it will help you with your referencing. Okay, so I'll be messing here now for a minute while I just get it across, so if you bear with me. Where are we? Okay, can everybody see that? Is it on the screen? Great. I just need to turn up my volume here because there's something funny going on with the sound on this and on my computer. It's going to be really loud in my room, but here we go. Look, that's because I have it on silent here. Okay. Can we hear that? Yep. Okay, I'm gonna go. Just make it, move everyone's faces out of the way so I can make it full screen and I will turn it on. Here we go.
Hi everyone, this is Kyle, your friendly e-learning librarian, here to tell you about an amazing piece of technology that's going to change your life. I'm here in a library database looking at an article I want to cite in a research paper. See that icon that looks like a piece of paper? That's Zotero, it's your new best friend. When I click that icon, Zotero pulls in all of the information about that article and stores it for me in my Zotero library, which lives down here in my Firefox browser. Now get ready to pick your jaw up off the floor. If I drag that article to a Google Doc or a Word document, it formats the citation for me. One click and one drag. That is literally all it took. And check this out. It works almost everywhere. Amazon, yep. Library catalogs and databases, you bet. Google Scholar, New York Times, YouTube, Yes, yes, and yes. It's so easy to save your sources with Zotero that you'll never have to track down a source again. That's not all it does. Zotero can be integrated within your word processor of choice to do in-text citations easier than ever before. When you're done inserting your citations, Zotero allows you to insert an entire formatted bibliography with one click. It works with all of the most popular citation styles, so no matter what format your project requires, Zotero has you covered. And the best part, Zotero is free. I'll let that sink in for a second.
Right. Mhm. Well, okay, can you guys hear me?
Yep.
I think I'm probably a bit loud, am I?
No, you're okay.
Does that sound okay? You sure?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. So every faculty has their own. A scholar for law, Griffith Harvard referencing style. We have our own in-house style that plugs into Zotero. Uh, we can help you get set up. I've got a video that shows you how to install it and how you can have everything backed up online. We will give you all these resources at the end and follow up everything in a nice packet so you'll have it neatly. So yeah, I love this. I think it's great. It really helps. But again, it's only a tool. Different tools work for different people. So I can give you an idea about alternatives if that suits you better. Okay. So just before I finish, I'm just going to reiterate different ways to get access to this for different people. We do face-to-face, come to talk to us at the desks in the library. Small group labs. I'm in a lab here. Very happy to do that with a group of people online, either on Zoom. We could do a group on Zoom. Phone, often people just ring it, just asking a question. Oh my God, I can't get my Zotero to work. Help me, I've got an assignment due. Give us a ring. And very often, if I find there, I'll answer it like that. Okay, so do not suffer in silence. Okay, over email. Send us an email. Somebody will get back to you. So maybe don't send me an email direct, you know what I mean, or Kelly, like, so the general library emails can be good. If you want us direct, fine. If it's general query, library@griffith.ie. There's many people here and they'll be able to answer you in the evenings as well. So please, it's the people suffering in silence. If you are going, oh my God, I'm irritated as I don't know how to find something or do something, ask us a question. Face to face, online, Zoom, whatever works for you. Okay. So look, that's essentially me done. I just want to see, is there anything I've left out on my little piece of paper here? No, that's it really. Yeah. So for you part-time and blended learners, please do take that with you, that we are here for you guys as well. Okay.